New to Microsoft Word, whether you're opening a new document, writing an essay, a letter, or your next big idea, knowing how to open and save your work is step one. Let's get it all mastered down in just 5 minutes. I'm your guide and, of course, your savior, Tech Warlock, and I'll be helping you with this in very simple steps. Well, of course, let's get into it. Well, to open your Microsoft Word, you shall have to either click the icon for search, click the Microsoft icon, which would be, for most people, you would find it around here, or you can actually search for it on your start menu. And once you're inside, go to File, choose Open, and in case you're opening an old file, you can browse for whichever document it is in, or in your recent, which these are those. You can take its file of your choosing and it will be right there. In case you're starting afresh and creating a new document, to start fresh, click New and select Blank Document. Now you're ready to type, format, and create. Word automatically chooses a font for you, text style, text color, background, and in case you do not find this to your liking, you can change it to any. You can change your fonts in the font button of your ribbon. You can change the font size. You can even go ahead to change your font color to font choice and do many more things. Well, now let's get to the brass tacks of our major task today, which shall be saving since we're done with opening one. To save, simply go on to Files. When you're ready to save, go to Files and click Save As. Here, thereon you'll be prompted to, of course, choose your file location, and of course I'm putting it in there. Browse to wherever you want it to be, opening and saving an MS Doc. Save, and please make sure that it's saved as a document, and be sure that the document type is actually a docx file, which is a standard Word format. Well, for quick saving tips, there are many things that you can actually do. You can do a shortcut of the control button, the control button plus S, which gives you a quick save of whatever document you're having and whatever changes you made to your document. It also helps to save quickly while working. If you're using OneDrive, turn on AutoSave so Word saves your changes automatically. No stress if you forget. And in case you're looking to save a duplicate of your document, you can press Ctrl plus Shift plus S, which saves us a new document. Opening and saving a Word document is simple. but it's the foundation of everything you will create. Subscribe for more quick tech tips and stay above the pump. This is Tech Warlock signing out once more.